hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
This bit. That's my name. You cannot tell me that's not my address no more, so I don't give a fuck. Y'all. This picture eat. What's up, y'all? I'm fucking cold as hell. It is not warm today. It's like 10:15 in the morning, and I'm finna go get just fucking Burger King, because I ordered something off the app. I'll go pick it up, and then I'm finna go to the nail shop, cause I supposed to been with the nail shop, and my shit broke. So yeah. It's beautiful salon. I'm gonna go to this new club tonight and see if they will let me dance. I already called them yesterday and I asked if they're looking for new dancers, and they was like, yeah, you can come up here and speak to the manager. And they open at 7 and it's 6:50. So I'm leaving the club. All they had me do was fill out an application, and they told me to come back up tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I could have did that yesterday. I ordered some food. I gotta go pick it up. I think it's on the other street. So this is where I'm getting my food from, the Catfish Box. Y'all, they got the best food trucks out here in Texas, period. This is one of the little food truck areas. It's a whole bunch in general, but they about to close. I literally ordered 6 minutes before they close. I hope the shit good. We're gonna go to this club. And it's like, I just keep recording when I get in the car. Like, I keep forgetting to record when it's important. But we finna go to this club and see what they talking about. So they told me to come today at 8. And it's like 8:20. I'll stay down the street, so let's see what these people talking about. Let's see what these people talking about. Y'all wish me luck. Yes, I got the job, of course, because I'm fine as shit. He said, come here. Do a 360. Alright, just start Monday. Now let's go to the stripper store right now and go buy some new stripper clothes. Yay! And we're here at the sex store. Yeah. This, I think I'm gonna fuck with this. This is the fun room. It's the next time. And I look crazy, but who cares? I gotta go get a couple things. I need to go get some makeup wipes for sure, so I can stop looking like a raccoon with my eyeliner. But not even the eyeliner, the fucking mascara. Like, oh my god. And then I want to go try the Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. So I'm finna go do it. Then I'm finna go get my oil at my little hidden gem store. It's the tiniest store ever, but they got that shit in there. See, that's why you gotta make good connections and friends with people. Most of the time I'm anti, but if you make me feel comfortable when I first meet you, like, we friends forever. This is, I think she's Vietnamese. She didn't have an order I like. She said they ran out of the pink sugar in the pussy because y'all, they the best too. Like, oh my god, especially pink sugar. Pussy is good, but pink sugar is so pungent. But I end up getting I had to get one because I'm like, look, I gotta come in here and shout with my girl. I ain't been here in a while. So, and then the thing about it is she gave me 10% off and she gave me a free nose ring, and I needed a different one. But I got Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. We done made it to Pizza. Little Caesars. And I hope I feel good. What the fuck say? So I already tried them. Y'all, first of all, the presentation. Y'all, 10 out of 10. Yeah, all the motherfucking 10. For real. So, y'all, I'm going out tonight. Even though I was supposed to, because I gotta go to work in the morning. But, look at them tip. Don't mind this. Look at everything else. It's giving Y2K. I'm looking for a little slight Y2K vibes. And then I'm wearing this jean jacket. My homegirl, she playing in my face right now. She's still getting ready. Bitch, I'm finna dip. Do I want to do it with or without the jacket? Well, I can't really do it without the jacket because it's cold as fuck outside. Because it's cold as fuck outside. Wait, no, I'm lying. The jean. The denim. The denim did it. The denim did it. The denim did it. I like the jean jacket.
We have a loyalty program. You get 10% of your purchase back into your account.
At the liquor store. I only got my paper ID, so I don't feel like chancing it. I got my brother going there for me. Breaking these damn shoes in too. Wearing them through the street. This is beautiful in here. Looks way better than my last look. Two more hours. Tired. I ain't gonna lie. Can't wait to cuddle with my nigga tonight. All hot with it. Yeah. How you be? Go a little numb. I gotta go to the store. Yeah, feed me. I wanna taste everything. Thank you. Absolutely. Look at this rainbow. Oh my gosh. I want to follow it and find a goal. Where's the dog? Let's get it, y'all. Y'all know the vibes. It's Car Chronicles. I gotta go back to the Play Store. I'm instantly irritated because it's 12,000 people at the motherfucking grocery store. Why is everybody here? It's the 29th. It ain't like food stamps drop. Kids out today. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm irritated as hell. I'm ready to, and I ain't even been in yet because I'm circling the parking lot trying to find somewhere to fucking park. First things first. Yes, I came to the grocery store to get some makeup because H-E-B got the best. H-E-B got the best selections for shit. Let's try this out. Hopefully, they're out of the deep brown, which I normally get. So I'm gonna try this. All right, this is what we leaving off the makeup aisle with, and then let's go get some food and get ready to go home, go to work. Subway for breakfast, but when the fuck did Subway get these kiosks? When? I was just here. Hey friends, we finna walk tonight. Hold on, I'm my camera like that. I ain't did my makeup yet, but I got on my clothes. I can't show my boobs. I'm at Sonic with it. Gotta order my food. Hold on. Get me some get drunk food. Okay. Girl. Just the sandwich. The medium cheese sticks and a chili cheese coney. And can I get a medium twisted lime Sonic recharge? That's it. I got the gang with me. Yeah. Put your fucking shades on.
Oh shit.
Hey. Finna turn off.
Wait. Get in sex.
Hey, get in sex.
Bitch, bend over, stand up on your toes, like your knees back, baby, breathe through your nose. Breathe through your, like your knees back, baby, breathe through your nose.
Finna get litty.
Breathe through your, like your knees.
So, niggas just parked.
What does this
Niggas
mean?
lit. First shit, I'm lit, and I just paid $36 a park. Bitch, we better have the time of our life. I can make the dope shake. Bad bitch, eat about you. And I already got a key. That's not good. Baby, the way I just stepped in that the way I just stepped in that pothole is insane. Easter lit as always lit. I gotta pee. Go to the bathroom. It's a birthday girl! Yes, bitch! 22, yes! For that nigga! All this shit out her nerd out lying. This is my girl. You a lying? Now they lit. You don't know what your friends with?
Yeah, cause like, so this what happened.
Bitch, Diddy don't do this.
To say this feel like a Diddy party is funny. You are so funny. Hashtag no Diddy.